welcome back. Let me put down my tiny Christmas tree. It's the holidays, everybody, and things are still so weird here on Earth. So I figured that we would do a holiday special, and I'm so excited because I have a dear, dear friend who is joining me today all the way from her kitchen in North Carolina. It's my dear friend, Anna Slate.
Hey!
Thank you, Anna. You are you're my Hanukkah angel. I truly appreciate you.
My Christmas angel. Christmas is you.
It's like a holiday party just for the two of us
And all of you.
and all of you. So also happy Hanukkah. I believe that it started on the 10th.
It's gonna start on the 10th, the evening of the 10th. Because the Jewish holidays start at sundown. So
Awesome.
yeah.
Are you planning on celebrating it?
I am with you in this moment because I would love to make Latke Waffles.
Latke Waffles. So what goes into a Latke waffle?
That's a great question. What goes into a latke waffle is what goes into a latke, and I'm going to show you that right now.
Okay.
So the first ingredient is going to be a potato.
Potato.
You could use any potato pretty much. You could even probably use a sweet potato, but maybe combine it with a regular potato. I've already shredded my potato.
Fantastic.
There they are.
I have as well also shredded my potatoes. What else do we have? What else is in a latke waffle or in a latke?
Ingredient number 2.
Mm-hmm.
Onion. Also grated.
Beautiful.
This one was actually hand chopped.
Oh, did you
with
really?
a knife. I did not. My partner did. My Isabel. She actually prepped all of this because I was at work.
Another holiday angel.
Yeah.
All right. So we've got potatoes, onions, all shredded. What else goes into our recipe for the day?
Our third ingredient is an egg.
An egg. Yay! Mine was strangely hard to break into. For a second, I thought that maybe it was hard boiled and I'd forgotten that I'd done it, which wouldn't be surprising at all.
Boiled egg, people. You cannot use hard boiled.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Fantastic.
That was 1 egg scrambled. Our fourth ingredient is going to be all-purpose flour. I'm using gluten-free all-purpose flour.
Little surprises. I didn't know that. You're using gluten-free.
Yeah.
I'm using the gluten version, everyone. And are there other things for this?
The final ingredient is salt and pepper. I find my salt and pepper already.
I don't have pepper in my house right now.
You don't need it.
I'm basic. I just have sea salt ready to go.
Hey, it's going to be even keeled potato. That's good.
Fabulous.
Add a little more salt.
Okay.
It's recommended for my recipe with my proportions. I'm doing about a teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of pepper. I did not measure those out. I just kind of ground them in to taste.
Yes.
To taste.
Naturally. Fabulous. All right. I'm all set on the salt end as well. Groovy.
While we've been talking about all of our ingredients, I have plugged in my waffle maker. It's hot and ready to go.
Mm-hmm. In our rehearsal take of this, I was sort of admonishing you for not using the indicator light, but now I have the exact same brand of waffle iron and I realize that the indicator light is almost impossible to see. Like I I hear it clicking on and off, but I can't, like I just heard it click right now, but I have no idea whether or not, I think it's on now.
I think it's on. I can see it.
Okay.
Oh, mine just clicked. Oh, I just turned on too.
So we have all the ingredients ready to go. How do we turn all of this into a Hanukkah treat?
Basically, you put it all together. You put
Okay.
every single ingredient in the same receptacle.
Okay. Love it. So I have a bunch of juice that has began to collect in my potato bowl.
Yeah. Great. So yeah, you're gonna want to squeeze that. You're gonna want to squeeze the juice of the potatoes out.
Nice. I have an old dirty sock that I use for this very purpose.
You're going to start to notice that the onions and potatoes are going to produce a lot of liquid. It is important to squeeze the liquid out. Lee here is using an old dirty sock. It's a nylon sock, I assume. Yeah. I use, you can just press it with this, you can just press it with a spoon and then just like kind of pour it out a little bit. I have cheesecloth, so I / my assistant, Isabel, put it in the cloth and just kind of did what Lee's doing there.
I'm dumping it. Don't need it.
Starch?
Yeah. It's gone now.
I would have. So now I'm going to put everything into the potato bowl. I'm just going to put all these ingredients in the potato bowl, the biggest bowl I have here, and I'm going to mix it all up. Putting my flour in.
I think this is a pretty forgiving recipe. I feel like either way, you will get something both delicious and edible.
We're essentially making hashed brown waffles.
We are, yeah.
So, you know.
Hash broffles.
Waff browns.
Yeah, wash. Yeah, that's better. You win.
How's your mixture?
Oh, mine's been done. Mine's ready.
Great.
Yeah. Salt?
I put my salt in already.
Oh, you did already? Okay, yeah, me too. Ready.
So I have this handy dandy little lock on my waffle iron. I'm going to release it. Open.
I'm a little worried. Mine does not have a lock. Like, I don't know. Are the waffles gonna fall out? Are they gonna run away?
I think it's more about you having to stop yourself from prematurely opening the waffle iron.
Oh, you think it's like to curb the user?
Is yours all sprayed up?
I'm so ready, Anna. I am chomping at the bit. I want to put these into this waffle iron.
That happened last time too. I was just kind of like, yeah, and you're like already eating your waffles.
I'm ready to eat these things raw. Come on. Let's do this.
So now we're just gonna scoop the mixture into the waffle iron and press, and play around with the thickness. I'm gonna start with a thinner layer of potato, because otherwise it won't really close or lock down.
Oh, I forgot to check my indicator light before doing this. All right.
I think it's hot.
Indicator light officially on at this moment.
Great. Isn't it supposed to be off?
No.
Okay.
Because I just put the waffle batter on there, and so then the indicator light comes back on to let you know that it is not at the temperature that you want it to be at.
Yes, I didn't realize you put it on already.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The moment you told me how to put it on, I was like, good, now I know, out of the gate. Let's do this. Anna.
Lee.
Do you know what I'm dreaming of at this very moment?
What are you dreaming of at this very moment?
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, like
sleigh bells in the snow.
Hear the sleigh bells in the snow.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Just every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. May your Christmases, may they all be white. Hey, hey.
How was it?
It's good.
The only two things you should put on a latke are applesauce and sour cream.